Question number 32. This question has got an internal choice. Both these parts are questions from quadratic equations. Both are word problems. Essentially, we have some information given to us in terms of words and sentences. We convert this into a mathematical expression, which will essentially become a quadratic equation. So we solve the quadratic equation and arrive at the answer. We have video solution to both parts, 32a we'll call it and 32b in the same video. Let's start with the first one. An express train takes 1 hour less than the passenger train to travel 132 kilometers. Leave all this information, right? That's good reading, that's it. If the average speed of the express train is 11 kilometers per hour more than that of the passenger train, find the average speed of the two trains. I'm going to start by assigning only one variable. The variable I'm going to assign is the speed of the express train, right? Speed of express train. Let's take this to be equal to x kilometers per hour. Look at it. The speed of the express train is 11 kilometers per hour more than that of the passenger train, which means the passenger train is 11 kilometers per hour slower, lesser than the speed of the express train. Speed of the express train is 11, so speed of passenger train is equal to x minus 11 kilometers per hour. So this is also arrived in terms of x itself. Now both trains travel the same distance, 132 kilometers. So time taken by express train, time by, I'll call it as ET to say that it's express train, is equal to the distance 132 divided by the speed, which is equal to x. Time by passenger train, we'll call it as PT. This is equal to 132, the same distance, divided by the speed of the express train, which is equal to x minus 11. We know that the express train takes 1 hour lesser, which means the difference between the time taken by the passenger train and the express train is equal to 1 hour. If this took 4 hours, this will take 5 hours. So the difference between the time taken by the passenger train and the express train is equal to 1. So let's write that time taken by the passenger train is 132 by x minus 11 minus the time taken by the express train, which is equal to 132 by x, which is equal to 1. X minus 11 into x is the common denominator. So this is going to become 132x minus of 132 into x minus 11 is equal to a 1. 132x minus 132x gets cancelled. Minus 132 into minus 11 is 132 into 11. 132 into 11. This is equal to cross multiply x into x minus 11. Expand it as we cross multiply. X square minus 11x is what we have. 132 into 11 is 1320, So take this to the other side. We'll get a quadratic equation. X square minus 11x minus 1452 is equal to 0. Factorization looks a little difficult, but let's see how we can make sense out of this. This is 132. I can actually think of it as 12 into 11, which I can think of it as 3 into 4 into 11 and then 11. That's how we got this 1452. So 3 into 11, 4 into 11 is a 4433. The difference becomes 11. So if you factorize it, you might be able to know how to split the middle term. So this factorizes as x square minus 44x plus 33x minus 1452 is equal to 0. X is a common term from the first and second term, x minus 44. We take a 33 common from the second, third and the fourth term, which is again will leave us with the x minus 44. X minus 44 into x plus 33 is equal to 0. Translating to x is equal to 44 or x is equal to minus 33. What is x? Speed of the express train, which cannot be negative. Speed of the express train is 44. Speed of the passenger train is x minus 11, which is 44 minus 11, which is equal to 33. So their speeds are 44 kmph and 33 kmph. This is for the express train and this is for the passenger train. Part 2 of this question has got an internal choice, which is also from quadratic equation, a word problem. A motorboat whose speed is 18 kilometers per hour in still water takes 1 hour more to go 24 kilometers upstream than to return downstream. Time taken to go up to travel upstream is 1 more hour than the time taken to travel downstream. Find the speed of the stream. I'm going to assign only one variable. Speed of the stream. Speed of stream is equal to x kilometers per hour. So obviously, we'll quickly write down what our downstream speed is. Downstream speed is speed of the boat in still water, which is 18, plus the speed of the stream, which is 18 plus x kilometers per hour. Upstream speed is essentially the speed of the boat in still water minus the speed of the stream, which is 18 minus x kilometers per hour. To travel downstream, the time taken, 24 kilometers is the distance travel. So time to travel downstream, we'll call it ds, is equal to the distance divided by the speed, which is 18 plus x. Time to travel upstream, we'll call it us, is equal to the distance, same 24, divided by speed, which is 18 minus x. It takes 1 more hour. So the extra time taken in upstream is 1 more hour. So time taken upstream minus time taken downstream is equal to 1. That's what it says, right? Takes 1 more hour. So time taken upstream is 24 divided by 18 minus x minus the time taken downstream, 24 by 18 plus x is equal to 1. What is x? X is the speed of the stream. What do we have to find out? Speed of the stream. So on good track. So 18 plus x into 18 minus x is a common denominator, which is a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square, 18 square minus x square, 24 into 18 plus x minus 24 into 18 minus x is equal to 1. 24 into 18 minus 24 into 18, these two get cancelled. Minus of minus will make it as plus. So 24x plus 24x, 48x is equal to, cross multiplying this, 324 minus x square. 18 square is 324. Get all terms to one side, we'll have x square, right? My plus 48x minus 324 is equal to 0. 54 into 6 is equal to 324. 54 minus 6 is 48. So it factorizes as x square plus 54x minus 6x minus or plus, what do we have? Minus 324 is equal to 0. X common between the first and second term, x plus 54 minus 6 common between the third and the fourth term will leave us with an x plus 54 is equal to 0. So x plus 54 times x minus 6 is equal to 0. So x is either minus 54 or x is equal to 6. X is the speed of the stream. Speeds cannot be negative, so this is ruled out. X is equal to 6. The speed of the stream is x, which is 6 kilometers per hour, which is what we need to find out.
Before you leave, I want you to do two things. One, sign up at online.maxtute.com to get started with CBSE Class 10 Math online tuitions. It takes all of 5 minutes and less than 3 steps to get started. So get it done today. And second thing, I want you to subscribe to this channel if you already haven't and turn on notifications so that you get notified every time a new video is uploaded. And also spread the word about this channel to your friends and classmates.